So what is a cube? Cube means exponent 3. Exponent meaning power 3. For example, 1 cube means 1 raised to power 3, and 1 is multiplied 3 times. So when 1 is multiplied 3 times, we get 1. Similarly, 2 cube means 2 multiplied 3 times.
8.
3 cube
27.
27. 4 cube
64.
64. So you must memorize these cubes till 10.
125.
And 6 cube will be
Sir, 180. Sir, 186.
wrong. It's 216.
Sorry.
Then 7 cube
Sir, 243.
Are you sure it's 243?
No. No, sir, not 243.
Sir, it's 343.
Yes.
343.
It's 343. Calculated by multiplying 7 3 times. What will be 8 cube?
512.
512.
Yes. And 9 cube?
Sir.
Sir, 729.
Yes, sir.
729. What about 10 cube?
Sir, 1000.
So 10 into 10. 10,000.
Yes, 1000. You might get a question like this, an objective question, that 8 cube means 8 times 3, 3 times 8, 8 multiplied 3 times, and D option is 3 multiplied 8 times.
Sir, 8 multiplied 3 times.
The third option.
So third option, 8 multiplied 3 times.
Yes, because 8 times 3 means 3 is taken as 8 times. So when you have 3 8 times, your answer is actually 24. So 8 times 3 means 8 into 3 is 24, and 3 times 8 is also 24. 8 multiplied 3 times is 8 into 8 into 8, and 3 multiplied 8 times is actually 3 raised to power 8. So this is a very basic definition that you must know regarding cube. So how to calculate 73 cube by 4 box method? First thing, you have to make 4 boxes. In the first box, take first digits cube, that is 7's cube. In this last box, you take second digits cube. And in the middle 2 boxes, first one will have square of 7 multiplied by 3, and the other one will have 7 multiplied by 3 square. So this simplifies to 343. 7 cube is 343. 3 cube is 27. Here 7 square is 49. 49 into 3. Suppose you are multiplying 49 with 3. So you can do the multiplication in a short way also.
147.
147.
Yes. So we are applying multiplication of 49 and 3. We have
सर शॉप पे क्या बता रहे थे
147. In a short way you can do this, like you have to multiply 3 with 4 and 9, right? 3 into 9 is 27, right? Plus 3 into 4, but don't take it as 4, take it as 40 because it's multiplication by
Yes.
place value system. So if you apply place value system, 3 is multiplied by 9, 9 यूनिट प्लेस पे था. अब 3 इंटू 4 नहीं होगा,
63.
3 इंटू 4
3
कितना?
into 40.
हाँ 3 इंटू 40 होगा. 3 इंटू 40 होता है 120, राइट? 120 प्लस 27.
Sir, it is like distributive method.
Yes, it is through distributive property because you have broken 49 as 40 plus 9. Okay, so
यस सर
you can do by any method. So we have 147 here, and 7 multiplied by 3 square, 7 into 9,
63.
63.
Sir, 63.
Yes. Now this is the numbers which we have obtained with the above calculation. Now as a step 2, double the middle blanks. तो जो नंबर मिडल ब्लैंक्स में हैं उनको डबल कर दो, यानी 63 इंटू 2 गिव्स यू 126, 147 इंटू 2 गिव्स यू
126.
294
Sir,
94.
294. 294.
now you just have to add them, right? एडिशन कैसे करनी है? यूनिट प्लेस रखना है और बाकी प्लेसेस को कैरी ओवर. 27 के नीचे कुछ नहीं है, 27 आ जाएगा, लेकिन 7 हमारे आंसर में रहेगा, 2 कैरी ओवर चला जाएगा. तो 2 कैरी ओवर चला गया. 6 प्लस 3 9, 9 प्लस 2 इज 11. नाउ वी हैव 7, 7 प्लस 2 इज 9. हेयर 191 में से 1 रख लेंगे, 19 कैरी ओवर आ जाएगा. Now 19, 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 4 is 20. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 9 is 16.
460.
460.
Yes,
So
sir.
this 46 will be taken as carryover. 0 comes in our answer. So 46 यहाँ पे आ गया, यहाँ पे आया 9, ये आया 38. Now see here, we cannot take further carryover, so this all 389 will be part of my answer. So my answer is 389,017.
17.
Let us
7.
check. 73. 73 whole cube means 73 multiplied by 73 multiplied by 73. See the answer, 389,017. Right?
Yes, sir.
Let us do one more, and this you also practice along with.